So Unity is trying to turn things around. So maybe they can with this new Unity 6 game engine. I mean, they are trying to compete with Epic Games Unreal Engine, right? Unreal Engine 5, just incredible. But anyway, Unity is apparently committed to delivering what matters to developers and maintaining ease of upgrade and stability. And they will include such tools as well for targeting the mobile web. So this is probably very good news for those developers who are locked in to the Unity engine at the moment, because I imagine if you're years and years in development using the Unity engine, you probably want to stay here. So Unity 6 is a positive development, I think, for game developers overall. Those that don't really have a choice, because otherwise switching at this particular moment might be a tremendous amount of work and cost. So I suspect for many of them, it's not probably possible. The new features, hopefully, and improvements can help them, make better games and applications. So what do you think about this? Do you think Unity will kind of learn from the mistakes and go forward, and maybe we'll see a Unity engine that will surpass the Unreal 5 engine? Who knows?